If you are somebody who's addicted to their smartphones and you would want to get rid of it, then do keep on watching this video till the end. Hi, I am Dr. Zainab Tajir, a homeopathy consultant and psychological counselor. So most of us here are addicted to our smartphones. We are on our phones most of the times in the day, and I am guilty of that too. Whether I'm cooking, cleaning, working, or doing anything for that matter, there is just this compulsive need to reach out to your phone and check it for no reason at all. So the other day, I had to make an important call. I picked up my phone, I got an Instagram notification. Then I stood there scrolling through Instagram for the next 15 minutes and I almost forgot about the call. So I hope some of you can relate there. So that was the time I realized that this phone addiction was getting so crazy. I mean, if you guys have not watched the documentary The Social Dilemma, I would strongly urge all of you all to go ahead and watch it. It actually tells you how these social media platforms earn off of your time, and these infinite pools of content on these social media, they entertain you and engage you until it becomes like an unconscious habit to keep scrolling through your phone all day. And that is so not healthy because it takes away so much of your time and even reduces your productivity. I mean, that does not mean we just throw away our phones, right? You and I wouldn't be sitting here if it wasn't for technology. But it is very important for us to know that it is us who is using technology or it's technology that's using us. So I have a few ways that I have been implementing myself to get rid of this addiction. So let's just get into it. So the first thing is acceptance. It is important for us to realize that we are addicted to our smartphones. The one thing that has really opened my eyes so much is an app called Your Hour. So that app tracks the number of hours you have used your phone or the number of times you have unlocked your screen. It even tells you that which apps you use the most and how much time do you spend there in the day. And that was a real eye-opener for me. It told me something like, oh, I spend around 5 to 7 hours on my phone, which is really too much. But also considering I do majority of my work on the phone, I don't know how to rate it, but I do realize that I really need to cut down my phone usage. Now, the second important tip that I would like to give you is to replace your smartphones with other gadgets. Now, since a phone is so handy, we tend to do everything on our phone. Right from keeping our alarms on the phone to checking our emails there, and for that matter, taking notes, everything is on our phones. However, if you really want to avoid using your phone so much, it is important to utilize other gadgets as well. So for example, you can use an alarm clock instead of using your phone, because what happens is that when you pick up your phone the first thing in the morning, you tend to sit on the phone the next 10 minutes scrolling through media, and that's not really healthy for your mindset as well, right? So during my recent poll on Instagram, almost 80% of my audience agreed that they are addicted to their smartphones. And when asked what do they do there, so majority of them are using either WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube for that matter. So yes, we are all consuming content to a great extent, and we really need to analyze if we want to be consumers or creators instead, right? The third thing that has helped me is to turn off notifications or sometimes even switch off my phone when I'm doing something important, so that whenever I reach out for my phone, I realize that I switched it off for a reason and I really need to finish my work first, give it the first priority instead of everything else. So that really works for me. You can try it as well. And the last thing that has worked a charm for me is changing my phone's wallpaper. So my phone wallpaper currently says that if you waste your time will waste you. So every time I pick up my phone, it is just a reminder that I do not have to simply waste away my time on all kinds of social media and instead utilize that time to do something productive. So I hope these tips are helpful. And if there is anything else that works for you, do let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.